Hello guys. Hello. Just put the deep on Sol. Hi Zvad, hi everyone. So I promised you guys a quick live stream. So markets lately are doing pretty bad. I haven't actually seen common markets, traditional markets like S&P. Let's see Solana. I mean, Solana actually didn't dip like a lot. I mean, yeah, kind of dipped, but it's very, very strong. So first thing first, can you guys hear me? Is everything okay? Hi, Svat, how you doing? I mean, these days, to be honest with you, I haven't been so onto charts, to be honest. I just took some time off, there is no need to be constantly looking at the charts, especially in moments like this. If you can, I mean, not financial advice, of course, just buy. I mean, I've just seen Fear and Greed Index 18. I think crazy. Okay, we haven't been at 18 since like a lot. I mean, let's see the 1 year. I mean, since the May crash, yeah, I would say, yeah, we went below. I mean, since the May crash, it's crazy. And a lot of people made ton of money during the May crash. DCA buying and fear always good. Absolutely. I mean, one thing about BTC that we actually discussed on the Discord is this thing. Okay, you see this? It's also on a weekly. This here is a week on a weekly. We went down back to 42k bulls. Here, I don't know why. Okay, people bought a ton on this level 42. Okay, they pushed the price up really fast, but actually we didn't manage to close above the 200 EMA, which is something I wanted to see that is actually this lighter level here. So let's see how the weekly candle actually, there is this weekly done here, closes in 7 hours and 48 minutes. I mean, on a daily you can see it better. This green line here at 47, 174 is actually support level. So we're actually above it, but I would love to see the daily closing above 50K. I mean, it's 1.5K away. So, I mean, it's actually possible. So let's see. The final hours are always the most savage ones when you see BTC crashing or pumping. The more you get closer to the weekly closure. So actually, 50K is the 200 EMA on a daily. 21 sits at 52. What is it? Yeah, no, 52.3K is this last label here. 52.3K is a 21 on a weekly. And actually breaking the 21 on a weekly, as you can see here, I mean, it's not something you want to see, but we can actually argue that we closed also here and then we started skyrocketing. So let's see how BTC behaves the more we get closer and closer to the final hours. That's 7 hours 47 minutes. I mean, a lot of coins dumped a lot, guys. Still think this is just, before the next leg higher that I think will obliterate all-time highs. We need a big shakeout, okay? So actually, something I haven't quite checked is also the total. Let's see. Damn, look at this. On a daily, actually, we discussed about this on the Discord. We break this level bearish. We actually broke this level, broken this support at 2.24 trillions. Went down to the 200 EMA, wicked below it, wicked to this exact support at roughly 2 trillions, while we closed above it. So this at least is something bullish. I mean, we are still above this key level on a daily. And now we are sitting at support. The market cap is sitting at support. This is the market cap of BTC and altcoins. So let's see how just altcoins are doing. Altcoins, I think that they're doing pretty bad. I mean, same scenario to be honest. damn, this is actually better than the BTC and altcoin total crypto market cap. This is just altcoins. Just look at this demand line. Touch, 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 broken, 200, mega bounce. And now we actually closed above this level, which is crazy. Support level, trend line. And now we are right there, guys, right there. Let's hope at least we close above this level. I mean, if we do, at least altcoins could bounce pretty hard. So let's see. Actually, something we haven't discussed on the Discord is also the this thing. That's the only thing that I find bullish, okay? Because I actually was expecting a big retracement, okay, from the 59k level. From the 59k level, I was expecting 54.8, 54.3k, okay? That was the last CME gap. But then we had the crash to 42k. Of course, this is the CME, so it didn't quite reach 42, but we closed this gap, okay? And now the CME actually closed at 53.5, which will create a mega gap in the charts to the upside. So at least this is something bullish, okay? A lot of institutional traders look at this. So let's imagine in like what, 7, 8 hours, the weekly closes, CME opens on Monday, and we will have a mega gap from 48, okay? Let's say BTC closes 48, or let's just say BTC closes above the 200 EMA again. We will have a mega gap from 50, 48, whatever, till 53.5k. There is a gap up. And if you remember, gap ups, okay, tends to be filled on the way up, okay? So, actually would not be surprised to see a good bounce on Monday. Let's hope for it. I mean, BTC, CME suggested, total crypto market cap suggested, total CHU, there is the altcoin market cap suggested. So, hopefully, yeah, we could bounce. Okay, Ethereum is actually holding pretty nicely. Okay, oh, this is actually from last video I made on YouTube. We actually wicked a lot below it from, actually we touched this support level here. But yeah, overall Ethereum, I mean, don't look at wicks, guys, okay? Because wicks are just, you know, manipulation during the whole panic, okay? Just look at the bodies, okay? We're above support here, which is good, okay? Resistance here, support, we could still bounce. Ethereum could still bounce. It's definitely showing strength. Omega FTV, what is it? A crypto? FTV, USDT, or is that Lang? Sorry, I don't know what that means. Overall, I'm still bullish, and I bought more with the past gains. Absolutely great thing. Can you cover some Web3 tokens that you think are solid? I mean, to be honest, this old Web3 token, I mean, the only one I know for sure is GRT USD, that is actually performing like trash since launch. Okay, it got listed on Coinbase, okay? Got listed. This was the last time we actually covered this. Okay, we bounced, reached TP, actually reached also resistance, and then since then, boom, crash. Okay, actually didn't crash quite a lot because just look at this, guys. This was hype, Coinbase listing, bam, nothing. Okay, it's basically back. I mean, could this still be a buy? Okay, we can actually cancel this, cancel a few things. But I'm not a huge fan of GRT, to be honest. Just look at this. This whole support. Wicked below here. I mean, I wouldn't actually touch GRT, to be honest. FTV means for the win. Oh, sorry. I'm such a noob. Guys. EDEX, please, yeah. But it might be a token too. Yeah. I was like FTV. I mean, it's crypto. It can be a token. What do you think about Ankh? It pumped really hard, Ankh. Let's start EDEX for a sec. I think I have a BUSD chart, yeah. I mean, it pumped really hard, and then, you know, I haven't quite seen the chart yet, but so EDEX, we actually called this beast on Telegram before this giga pump. Of course, I was not in, but at least I know some people made huge money here. we could say that until we hold above this level, it's bullish at least. I mean, I don't know where is it listed. Definitely on Binance. I don't know any other exchange. But yeah, until we are above this level, could be a buy. Could be a buy. To be honest, I have no idea what this project does. I think it's an exchange or something. Let's talk about Ankh. Let's see Ankh. Actually, we can do something like this. Let's see if we can draw a valid fib. Because, I mean, there is these all weeks. Yeah, just look at this, 78.6. I mean, we hold this level that coincides with 78.6. We could bounce. We could bounce from here, definitely. QNT end of year estimation. We actually covered the QNT a lot, guys, and I always had this. I think it's the coin chart. Let's see. I mean, I said since we were here, actually, since QNT was $4 and $8 on YouTube, I said 500 to 1K. Let's see where the market take us. Okay, just look at this huge week. Okay, for QNT. The thing is, there are not a lot of QNT left on exchanges. Okay, that's also a great thing. I mean, a lot of people are like, I mean, it's fine. QNT has been pulling back a lot since all-time high, but just look at the whole run. Okay, there is no chart here, but it was $4, guys. I mean, less than 1 year ago. It made more than a 10x. So, I mean, no, $4. 400 something, more than 100x. I mean, it's crazy. Let's see the chart. Why am I bullish as fuck about IDEX? I mean, the chart looks nice, at least for now. The chart looks nice. Ankh, USDT. Ooh, nice, a nice chart. I do remember this level, this key level. We pumped here, and I know some people took profit here. Then we actually almost went to all-time highs. Now we're back to the 0.236 level. Okay, so yeah, would love to see the daily at least. As you can see here, we wicked to the 236 level, but look at this wick. Look at all this price action over here. Just look at this. The daily closed above this level. I want to see the daily. This daily, we need to pump like not that much to close above this, like 5 to 6%. That would be slightly more bullish, but either way, Ankh lately is pumping hard. Do not focus that much on this price action. This is all due to the BTC fear dump, whatever. So, anyway, yeah, looking bullish. I would love to see a daily close above this fib level, roughly 11 cents. One more thing for a 10K trade. How would you proceed in next month? Long BTC with small leverage, get half Ethereum, half BNB, or go with Solana? I mean, Solana, BNB, Ethereum, BTC. I mean, if you really wanna, you have 10K. If you wanna stay futures, definitely low leverage. But I mean, I would just buy some altcoins that dropped like 50% or more. I mean, not some random shitcoin, but definitely I would go for altcoins. I wouldn't even have the stress to check, futures. You have a lot of stress going on when day trading, or you have a futures trade open. I would just go spot 10K. You can actually diversify in 2 or 3 altcoins, and definitely the market will outperform your future trade in the next 1 or 2 months. Serum, please. Yeah, we'll charge Serum, or maybe get just 2 Ethereum. I don't know. I mean, the thing is, even if Ethereum does a 2x from here, this 8K Ethereum. So if you're talking about ROI, I would just go with some more mid caps altcoins. Again, with strong fundamentals. So Noth, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, BTC, they're all big caps. Do you hold any metaverse project? Yes, I hold a small bag of a project that is actually on Discord, so I'm not gonna say it. SLP dead. SLP is like the potion thing on SLP, I think. It's like a game fight. What the fuck, man? This thing dropped heavily. Do we have another chart with more data? No. Uh, okay, we'll go with Binance, I think. So we actually cracked all the supports here. I think I have no idea about the tokenomics of this thing. So definitely we dumped here, okay, due to, you know, the latest dump in BAC price, but I don't know. I have no idea about this project. It's definitely something used in, you know, a gaming thing. I think, I don't know, correct me guys. I think on Axie, I don't know. Anyway, the chart looks really, really bad. But you know, if let's check. Let's put it dark. SLP, Smooth Love Potion. Yeah, it's an Axie. Okay. I mean, let's see also Axie, how it's doing. Maybe are definitely could be correlated. I mean, no, they're not. But yeah, if it's with Axie, I mean, buying some SLP, I don't know, just because it crashed so much. But the thing is, we're still we cracked all the supers. So I mean, I mean, you see this, we cracked everything, guys. We could definitely dump more here. Yeah, indeed, Svet is saying it. Farm it. And these are like all the guys who were buying tokens that you can farm. The whole thing with these cryptos is they're not actually, yeah, I mean they're tradable, but people farm it, they sell it. So this thing here has a constant selling pressure. So if you do not have a lot of buy orders every day, I mean, there are, you know, constant selling pressure on this thing. So we cracked support that definitely would pass on this. I mean, if you are a savage, your risk appetite is high, you could buy some SLP. Definitely, I'm not gonna do that. Serum. Let's go check Serum. Binance. Okay. We actually called Serum. Unfortunately, got stopped out in profit. I mean, this is on Solana. It actually made a huge run, guys. Ooh, this chart looks kinda nice. Kinda. Just look at this week over here. If we get a bounce here, it's definitely bullish. Could be support 3.98. Let's see where we're below the 200. I mean, charts, every charts do not look really nice. But overall, we are still on this support level until it's broken. Okay, until we could say until 3.86 is broken, we could bounce here, and definitely oversold. Yeah, this at least this chart, the Serum chart, looks kind of nicer. What do you think about a share token? SSHR, SDT, sharing. Is it this one? Oh, what is this? These are typical KuCoin pumps, guys. Get listed, hype, bam, then back to super levels. I mean, just look at this. I mean, is this a buy? I mean, we bounced here one time, but definitely this whole thing, okay, in my personal opinion, could be a buy region. I mean, this whole area, okay? We could definitely go down till 0.016, okay? But either way, we could definitely bounce from here or from 0.016. Either way, this area still support, okay? So, yeah. But again, I have no idea what this is. This could be, you know, one of those KuCoin Degen picks, you put some money in, then it goes to all-time highs, you make some 300 something, 400%. Eve, back to the price it was 6 months ago, and it was 60% from its all-time high. I mean, Eve is fine. I mean, the project itself is great. Okay, to be honest with you, I missed the ride here and I stayed out. Okay, decided to not touch Eve. So you see, I mean, a lot of crypto guys are at support levels. A lot of cryptos. That's why I'm saying, why bothering entering into a futures trade when you can actually just buy spot? Okay, these things jumps from here. It just goes back to the 200 EMA. It's a 60% move. All right, guys, gotta go now. I have people over for a drink. Hope you like this quick live stream. See you on the next one. And promise I'll do more. Bye, guys.